Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. There's a video. Today we're gonna be doing a beautiful smoky eye today. It's very easy and very glamorous. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, I've already prepped my skin with my moisturizer, and now for the priming my face, I'm gonna be using this NYX Plump Right Back Primer. Because now I'm just going to put this all over my face. Just like so. Okay guys, now for our brows, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. brow lift. I'm going to just take my spoolie and dip in this brow gel into it. I'm just going to set my brows with this. It's like one of my favorite products for my brows. Literally such a good product and super inexpensive. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side as well. Okay guys, now for my color correcting, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm just going to blend this into my skin. Okay guys, now for the foundation today, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Canvas CC Cream. And as usual, I'm going to mix it with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm just going to put some of this foundation back of my hand, just like so. And I'm just going to take my Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm just going to put some in here, just like so. Okay guys, I'm just going to mix this. And I'm just going to use this and apply this with my hands onto my skin. And I'm just going to blend this into my skin. Okay guys, next for a concealer, I'm going to be using this KBD's HD Liquid Concealer. And I'm just going to use this to highlight my eyes and all the places. Because I'm just going to blend this into my skin, just like so. This is just like, guys, it's such an amazing concealer. Guys, now for the cream blush, I'm going to be using this dewy liquid blush from MAC. I'm just going to put some right like so. And then I'm just going to blend this with my brush. Of course, I'm gonna put some blush right on my chin and also right on my nose. Okay, so now for the powder, I'm gonna be using this PAC Sparkler Loose Powder to set my face with this. And it has a beautiful pink undertone. So it's super lightening under the eyes. I love this so much. It's so smoothing under the eyes and all over the face. It is such a beautiful powder, guys. Okay, so now for a bronzer, I'm going to be using the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer. And now just for this, I'm just going to take my brush. I'm just going to bronze up my entire face. It is such a beautiful finely milled bronzer. So nice. It's super inexpensive as well. Just like, I think it's for $4 or something. We kind of love quantity too. And it's such an amazing powder. Guys, now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Guys, as usual, I'm going to be taking this lightest shade from this palette. It's called MF80. I'm going to use that all over my crease, all over my eyelids, just like so. Do the same on my other eyes. Also going to take the same shade and put it right here on my lower lash line, just like that. Guys, now I'm going to be taking this shade called Central Park on my flat brush. I'm just going to make a wing out of this. Just like that. Just make a smaller wing, just like so. Now I'm going to take my pencil brush, and with this I'm going to be taking the same shade Central Park, and I'm going to like blend this. I'm just going to use this to blend the eyeliner that we created. Just like that, I'm going to do the same on my other eyes as well. Guys, now I'm going to be taking this shade called Abyss. It's a black shade. I'm going to use that and put it right like so, right to the lash line. Guys, I'm going to take the same Central Park shade and put it right here on my lower lash line. Okay, so now with my lip brush, I'm going to be taking this shade called Hustle right here. It's a beautiful, like a cool tone, kind of a gray kind of color. And with my brush, I'm just going to apply it right here. Just like that. And I'm just going to take the same shade and use that on my lower lash line, just like so, right here. Okay, so now what I've been doing, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. No Budge Cream Eyeshadow. I'm going to use that and put it on my lash line. Okay, so now for brightening up my inner corners, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. It's in the shade Tassel. Use that right here on my inner corners, just to brighten up that area a bit. Okay, so now for mascara, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. Okay, so now to fill in my brush, I'm going to be using this shade Central Park and Abyss shade. I'm going to mix these two and use this on my brows. Just like that, just slightly put in my brows with this. Okay, now for a powder blush, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Face Duo. You dust this onto my cheeks. Also right on my nose. Just like so. Right on my chin. Okay, so now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this illuminating highlighter from K-Beauty. And I'm going to be using this right on my nose. Just like that. Right here between the brows. Right here on the apples of my cheeks, it's just like so. I was going to do the same here. just like that. I'm gonna take it and put it right here onto our brow bone. Same on the other side. Guys, now for our lips, I'm gonna be using this ColourPop lippy pencil. Alright, now for our lip color, I'm going to be using this Prairie ink Glow in the shade 23. Put this right on the center. Just like that, and my fingers, I'm just going to blend this. And now for setting your face, I'm going to be using this Dewy Finish Setting Spray from NYX. This is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.